Occhio really stood out to me because of their obsession with engineering and technical performance, but done in such a refined, elegant way. A common mistake homeowners often make is thinking lighting is just about the fixture. It's far more powerful than that. Lighting defines how a space is experienced. I was fortunate to speak with CEO Benno Zerlin, who shared an idea that really stuck with me, that lighting has the power to shape the behaviour of our guests.
If I host guests and I cook a dinner, when these guests arrive, it's a different setting. I don't want it to be bright, and I want it a bit warmer, 3,300, 3,500 Kelvin. But I still would like to have an open, welcoming room. I want them to feel friendly and happy and energetic to them. And then they would mingle, and I would retreat to the kitchen and stand on the satellite and prepare the first courses or the drinks. And when the drinks are ready, there's at the push of a button, the large size of the room darkens down, the light gets more focused on that kitchen satellite, and then it gets even warmer. I get to 2,700 Kelvin because that creates an emotional intensity again, and it draws people close. And if you do this over time, you start realizing how people actually react to that.
Once you see how they're using lights to set mood and direct movement, it makes sense. It's lighting that actively supports how you live.
It's just directing that social gathering through the change in light in that actually rather vast and massive rooms. It shows me again and again how important it is to think about light as something very dynamic. And the more versatile we want to use our living spaces, the more important it is that we dispense with the idea that there's a light switch that switches on and off. There's different atmospheres that you want to create in that very one same room, and you want to change it from one to another. So the atmosphere in a room can really change your life.
The brand's identity really comes through in how they balance technology with emotional intelligence. It's elegant problem solving. It's made me want to experiment more with how I light my own home.